Hey, what's going on, everyone? Anyone in here yet? Should be able to chat even if you're not signed in. Welcome to our 6-box break. Platinum and Valor 2015. 3 boxes each of those. Wait for someone to get in here. Probably have a couple live viewers. A little bit earlier than our breaks, but hey, what's going on? At least I got one person in here, it looks like. Looks like a anonymous name there. Who is it? Is that Jake? Oh, nice. What's up, Lorenzo? There's a couple more people joining in. Nice, nice. 6-box break. Give it a couple more minutes and then we'll get it going. Upload's quick now, so people check it out right after I go live, or right after we're done. 21 total hits, 15 autos, 6 relics, and quite a few base cards. There's another person. What's up, what's up? How's it going? Cool, cool, Lorenzo. Yeah, thanks, man. We'll try to pull some nice ones. $20.15. Hopefully we can pull some nice rookie autos here, maybe some nice vets. We'll get it started now. We got a couple viewers, so I'd like to have at least a few people in here watching. Alright, let's get it going. Good luck to everyone. If you don't see the live video, check it out on YouTube. It'll be up a few minutes after we get done here. We'll start with our Valor up on top. 4 hits in each Valor and 3 hits in each Platinum. 2 autos in the Valor and 2 relics. And then platinum is 3 autos, with 1 being a patch auto. We'll see what we can grab. $20 packs in the Valors. Alright, here we go. Good luck. First pack of Valor. Out of the first box. Byron Maxwell, Alvin Dupree, Randy Gregory, Shane Ray, Randy Gregory, DeAndre Hopkins. Cameron Wake, DeMarcus Ware, Mario Williams, Rashard Perriman, Tony Lepet, Carlos Williams. Dante Fowler, Tom Brady at a 50. That's pretty sweet. Nice Brady parallel. Dorial Green Beckham. B. Marsh, Julio Jones, Jordy Nelson. It looks like we got a thick one in here. Bring our base up front. Terrence McGee, Julius Peppers, Prince Amukamara, and first hit, Kevin White. Jumbo relic at a 300. Going to the Bears, Mike Hilbrant. First hit, Kevin White. Jumbo patch. There we go. Leonard Williams, Bob Lilly, Devontae Adams out of 199. For the Packers, Amari Cooper, Clive Walford, Malcolm Brown. Next. Shelton, Goldman, Sue, Bo Jackson, Trufant, Trey McBride. Geno Atkins, Sheldon Richardson, Jalen Strong, Chris Conley, Josh Robinson, Jeff Hoyerman. Shane Ray, Eric Armstead, Uwizua, Jerome Bettis, Dupree, T.Y. Hilton. J.J. Watt, Vincent Jackson at a 299 bucks. Devin Smith, Macklin, Jackson, Green. There's a hit in here. Byron Maxwell, base card up on top, and Blake Bortles looks like patch at a 99. So we got both our patch cards for this box. Going to the Jags, Bo. 61 and a 99. I was hoping for a multicolor on that, but we'll take it. Clowney, JPP, Robert Quinn, Darrell Revis, Devin Funchess, Steve Smith. Justin Houston, Tim Brown, it's all upside down again. Rogers Cromartie, Vincent Jackson, Muhammad Wilkerson, Trey Mason. Richard Sherman, Darrell Revis, Brent Grimes, Kevin White, Calvin Johnson, Randall Cobb. Joe Hayden, Vontae Davis, Mike Evans, Dante Fowler, Golden Tate, and Edelman. Trufant, Amukamara, Rogers Cromartie, Kenny Bell, Damaris Thomas, Des Bryant. Looks like we got something in here. Owamgabi Obedizua up on top, and Bryce Petty patch auto, of course. Out of 800, Jets. Corey, there you go. No multicolor out of 800. Jets Pats auto. Bryce Petty. So looking for just our normal auto now in this box. Artis Payne, Ben Roethlisberger, Philip Dorsett, Jordan Matthews, Kelvin Benjamin, Martavis Bryant. Kevin Johnson, Bob Lilly, Eric Armstead, Mike Evans, Odell, Sammy. 2 more packs left in box number 1. Dion, Trey Waynes, Greg Olson, Aguilar, Stephon Diggs, Tyler Lockett. Well, there should be an auto in this last pack here. Patrick Peterson, Shane Ray, Jay Ajayi auto. Out of 800 again. Couldn't give us a lower number one. We're going to the Finns. TJ, I think's got him. Yep, Dolphins. Ajayi auto out of 800. So nothing too special in that first box. Okay. Platinum. 3 autos. One's a patch auto. Another 20 packs per box. The base all straightened out over here. There we go. Okay. Platinum, first pack. Good luck. Miller, Ertz. It looks like we got our first hit right off the bat to the probably Vikings, unless it's just backwards. Vikings, Eric Kendricks. Tyler B. No number on it. Kendricks auto for Tyler. Jennings, Yeldon. Olsen, Odell, Teddy, Sherman, Kenny Bell. Evans, Bell, Trey Waynes, Refract, Kelsey, Pete. Murray, Vernon Davis, Levy, Sanders, Green Beckham. Von Miller, Julius Thomas, Matt Jones blue. It's kind of a refractor, no number, extra numbering or anything. Bradford, Williams. Julio, Roethlisberger, Jameis Winston, refractor, nice. Kuechly, Gurley, rookie card. Rogers, Anderson, JPP, Matthews, Diggs. Terrell Suggs, Chandler Jones, Aaron McFadden, Richard Sherman, Sean Mannion. DeMarco Murray, LaShawn McCoy, Philip Dorsett, refractor card, Kelsey, Lockett. Matthews, Bryant, Stafford, Sanders, Funchess. Rivers, Jeffrey, Lacey, Romo, Jones. Looking for 2 more autos in here. Looking for the patch auto. Gronk, Gore, Levante David, Jimmy Graham, Perriman. Sue. Looks like we might have something backwards here. Let's get our other stuff in front of it. Olsen, Croft, Williams, Eric Armstead out of 150 for the Niners. David Cozzolino. Eric Armstead out of 164 out of 150. Nothing special yet. Keep it going, see what our patch auto is going to be. Edelman, Benjamin, Williams at a 25. That's pretty sweet. Red refractor for the Bills. At 25, pretty sweet looking. Hill, Langford. Justin grabbing that at a 25. Jared Allen, Matt Ryan, another Carlos Williams refractor this time. Peterson, Devontae Parker. Looking for that patch auto. Romo, Bradford, Javorius Allen refractor, Patrick Peterson, Mike Davis. 4 more packs left in this platinum. Graham, Peterson, Matthews, Romo, Artis Payne. Jennings, Jeremy Hill, Marshawn Lynch, die cut. Jennings again, Chris Conley. 2 more packs. Looks like that bottom pack has the patch auto probably. Looks a little thicker. Kelsey, Sherman, Kuechly, Bradford, Ajayi. Patch autos in this last pack. It's definitely stuffed in there. There it is. Got a couple base cards. Bryce Petty, base. Jimmy Graham, base. And another Ajayi. Or, yeah, Ajayi. At a 99 4-color patch auto for TJ. Nice looking card there. TJ grabbing a couple of Jayis already. At a 99. Those are the base cards there. They're in that stack. Okay. Next box of Valor. Next 4 hits. Good luck, everyone. Let's pull a monster hit. Here we go. First pack, box number 2 of Valor. 3rd total box. Cobb, Johnson, Ajayi, Sims, Peterson, Rice. Gordon, Johnson, Dwight Clark, Jordan Matthews, Kelvin Benjamin, Martavis Bryant. Alright, got a hit in this one. Trey Wayne's base up on top, and another Carlos Williams. Oh no, we didn't get a hit before. We got a refractor, but there's a Carlos Williams hit. 3-color patch. Got a 289. Justin Holland grabbing it. New guy. Congrats. Nice 3-color patch there for Carlos Williams. Allen, Artis Payne, Roethlisberger, Witten, Woodson, Evans. Kevin Johnson, Lawrence Taylor, Deion Sanders, Odell Beckham, Sammy Watkins, Stephon Diggs. Dion, Waynes, Peterson, Chancellor, Lockett, Tim Brown. Got a thick one in here. Get our base card up on top. Oh, Torrey Holt, Richard Sherman, Kevin Johnson, and Mike Evans patch at a 300 for the Bucks. Going to Wesley. Bucks. Mike Evans at a 300. Single color. So looking for both our autos now. Revis, Grimes, Yeldon, Barry, Victor Cruz, Calvin Johnson. Joe Hayden, Vontae Davis, Desmond Trufant, Luke Kuechly, Ben Roethlisberger, Randall Cobb. Mukamura, Dominique Rodgers-Cromartie, Earl Thomas, Golden Tate, Julian Edelman, Demaryius Thomas. Russell Wilson, Teddy Bridgewater, Geno Atkins, Rob Gronkowski, Dorial Green-Beckham, Kenny Bell. Bortles, Ryan, Matt Forte, Revis, Kevin White, Nelson Aguilar. Rivers, Flacco, Kaepernick, Kelsey, Dorsett, Green. Nick Foles, Alex Smith, Manziel, Sherman, Coates, Jeffrey. So looking for those autos. Andy Dalton, Amir Abdullah, Greg Olson, Antonio Brown, Devontae Adams, Emmanuel Sanders. This pack feels heavy. Luke Kuechly, Matt Jones, patch auto. Going to Casey Turpin. Out of 800. We get something a little lower number than 800 out of these Valors. Come on now. Single color. Going to Casey. Next pack. RG3, DeMarco Murray out of 299. Randall Cobb, Dwight Clark, Greg Olson, Kelsey. Rodgers, Staubach, Taylor, Gronk, Graham, Devontae Parker. Oops. Two more packs. Looking for that other auto, standard style one. Brady, Romo, Revis, Graham, Jalen Strong, Amari Cooper. Last pack, looking for that auto. Always making me worry about it. Waiting for the last pack. I guess not their fault. Cam Newton, Joe Hayden, Broncos, Jeff Hoyerman, who I dreaded most. Out of 800 again. Broncos, Adam Lackey. Hoyerman. Every auto has been out of 800. Congrats to Adam there. Richard Perriman, Devin Funchess, Devin Smith. Okay, that's box number 2 of Valor. Crunch, crunch. Now on to box number 2 of Platinum. Next 3 autos. Let's get something to write home about here. Come on now. There we go. Pack Mountain, teetering Pack Mountain. Here we go. First pack. Breeze, Sanders, Hunley, Manning, Gordon. Kelsey, Sherman, Keekly, Brady, Johnson. Romo, Bradford, Manning, die cut. RG3, Jalen Strong. Green, Brown, Kaepernick, Cameron, Hunley. Got our patch auto in here or something. Yeah, nice thick one. I always put the base underneath it seems like. Vic Beasley base card. Justin Forsett base, and nice looking patch there for Chris Conley. Patch auto, 3-color. Surprisingly not numbered. Chiefs. That was Ken Huber. Mini winner. Number 1 mini winner. Nice looking hit there, Chris Conley. Wish that was like at a 5 or something. It's a sweet patch to be not numbered. The next pack. Roethlisberger, Rogers, Mannion, Blue, Reed, Davis. Put the Mannion Blue over there. Anderson, JPP, Miller, Gates, Artis Payne. Julius Thomas, Rob Gronkowski, David Johnson, Refractor, Joique Bell, Chris Conley. Sue Williams, Melvin Gordon, Refractor, Watt, Ajayi. Edelman, Benjamin, Jones, Tate, Petty. Graham, Peterson, Matthews, Nelson, Green. Jennings, Hill, Beasley Refractor, Hilton, Dupree. Olsen, Odell, Bridgewater, Forte, Scherf. Evans. Bell. Next auto is Jaguars, Ben Quayak. Give us something. Come on here. Bo's getting another hit. Ben Quayak, tight end for the Jags. Mighty Jags. Ingram. Coates. Murray, Davis, Levy, Hardy, Walford. Looking for only one more auto in this one. Gore, David, Allen, Charles, Bell. Ryan, Rivers. That's a nice one. Amir Abdullah, TJ Yeldon dual, 15 out of 25, dual autograph. So Bo and Tyler B are going to be battling out for this one. Nice card. $15 out of 25. We'll do that right at the end of the break. See who grabs that. Cam Newton, Andrews Pete. I'm not expecting any more autos in this. Jeffrey, Lacey, Miller, Manning, Beckham. Ertz, Suggs, Strong Refractor, Demarius, Croft. Last pack of this platinum box. I don't know if we've gotten a numbered styled card this whole box. Let's see if we get one. McFadden, Murray, Hopkins, guess not. Langford. Usually you get one per box, I think. Okay, last box of Valor. Another 4 hits here. Okay, here's the last box of Valor. 20 packs. Good luck to everyone. Let's pull a monster here at first pack. First hit, here we go. Peyton Manning. Let's get the base up front, actually. Ronnie Lott, Peyton Manning, Brent Hundley, David Cobb, Jumbo Relic. At 300. Titans is Adam Lackey. Start a new stack of base for that. Sims, Staubach, Denzel Perriman, Jeffrey, Earl Thomas, Eric Berry. Tannehill, Young, Bradshaw, Elway, Mariota, Woodson. Luck, RG3, Sammy Coates, Chancellor, Dwight Clark, Greg Olson. Suggs, Miller, Ingram, Benjamin, Miller, Falk. Mack, Mosley, Tannehill, Breeze, Forte, Horning. Kerrigan, Timmons, Thompson, Matthews, Coleman, Gurley. See a big boy hit here. Come on now. Scherf, Pete, Collins, Carr, Yeldon, Davis. Grayson, Winston, Bradshaw at a 99 for Steelers. Jerry Rice, Barry Sanders, Marshawn Lynch. Got our next hit in this pack. See who we got. Carlos Williams, patch auto, 4-color. So Justin Holland's grabbing another one for his first break. This one's at a 75. Nice looking hit there. Carlos Williams at a 75 patch auto, 4-color. Next pack. Beasley, Perriman, JPP out of 199. Evans, Anderson, Lacey. Looking for another auto and another patch in here. Kendricks, Manning, Elway, Smith, Sayers, Bernard. Dawson, McKinney, Gronk, Bryant, Jamal Charles, Jeremy Hill. Matthews, Manning, Tony Lippett auto, another one out of 800, and another one for TJ, the Dolphins. Well, we didn't get anything too great out of Valor there. We'll see what we can get on our last patch hit. Maybe one of one patch. Jerome Bettis, Riggins, Bell. TJ got a bunch of Dolphins hits. He's happy. Elway, Dawson, Stafford, Brown, Ellington, Robinson. Mariota, Hundley, Petty, Lacey, Marino, Foster. Mannion, another one for the Dolphins out of 299, Lamar Miller, Sanders, DeMarco, Bell, McCoy. Looks like we got our last hit in here. Sean Mannion on top, Jalen Strong on the bottom at a 75 two-color patch. Going to Casey. Jalen Strong at a 75. So nothing spectacular out of Valor, really. Last hope is in our last box of platinum. We get that nice dual auto. See who that goes to in a little bit. Marino, Carr, Breeze, Odell, Devontae, Ingram. Last pack of the last box of Valor. Manning, JC, Petty, Jonathan Stewart, Max Williams, Rashad Jennings. Okay, here it is. Last box of the break. Topps Platinum 2015. Let's see if we can grab something nice. We'll take a Winston, Mariota. We'll take Cooper, Gurley, Kevin White. We'll take a Gronk auto. We'll take a couple other Patriots. I can't remember who are in here. There's our last empty box. So sad. Okie doke, here we go. Best of luck. Last 3 autos. Tannehill, Luck, Stewart, Quinn, Smith. Dwayne Allen, Joe Hayden, Amir Abdullah, Refractor, Mosley, Kevin White. Wake, McCoy, Jackson, Revis, Abdullah. Darius, Bennett, Watkins, Bennett, Mail. Cobb, Johnson, first hit. Broncos, Shane Ray. Going to Adam Lackey again. Couldn't have given us a Peyton Manning auto on that? Jeez. Darius Crowder. Gates, Reed, and our next auto, Josh Harper, Raiders. They're going quick here. Last hope is on our patch auto. Raiders is Jake, I believe, or Wesley. Yep, Wesley. Allen, Montgomery. Tate, Watt, Hardy, Stewart, Johnson. Morris, Foster, Hopkins, McCoy, Williams. Demarius Thomas, Eli Manning, Jameson Crowder, Refractor, Cameron Wake, Tevin Coleman. Newton, Jamal Charles, Drewick Bell, Joe Hayden, Garrett Grayson. Forsett, Jordan Cameron, Revis, Cobb, Williams. Screensaver went up. Don't worry, computer, we're almost done. Mosley, Quinn, Kevin White refractor, Watkins, Dorsett. Ingram, Forte, Smith, Luck, Allen. Hilton, Nelson, RG3, Tannehill, Waynes. Brady, Manning, Yeldon Blue, Johnson, Winston. Marshall, Marshawn, Mail, Fractor, Brown, Mariota. See some Mariota / Winston auto here. Let's see, that'd be nice. Cap us off. Gio Bernard, Witten, Mathis, AJ, Hardy. Carlos Dansby, DeMarcus Ware, Eli Manning, die cut card, Deshaun Nelson. Last two packs. Looking for that patch auto. It looks like it's going to be in the last pack. Russell Wilson, Jay Cutler, Joe Flacco, Drew Brees, Amari Cooper. Barely seen any of him. Okay, last pack. It's one stuffed in. Best of luck to everyone. Thank you for filling up the break. Do a little hit recap after we're done here. And we've got to see who gets that dual auto. So stick around if you'd like. David Cobb base card. Colin Kaepernick base. And another Bryce Petty patch auto. Jets. So nothing really spectacular except for that dual auto, I think. Jets getting a couple Bryce Petty patch autos. There you go, Corey. Two color. So we'll run down everything we got. Put this, our sweetest hit, out up first. Mir Abdullah, TJ Yeldon at a 25. Dual autograph. Petty patch auto. Harper. Shane Ray. Jalen Strong, two color at a 75. Lepet. Carlos Williams, patch auto at a 75. Nice patch on that. Got a little bit of low number action too. Cobb. Jumbo. Koyak, Mighty Jags. Nice looking patch there for Chris Conley. Surprisingly not numbered. Hoyerman. Bronco. Matt Jones. Patch auto. Mike Evans. Jumbo Relic. Another Carlos. 3-color patch this time. Jay Ajayi. Nice 4-color patch auto out of 99. Armstead at 150. Kendricks. Another Ajayi at 800. There's our other Petty Patch auto. It's a Petty Party. Bortles at a 99 single color. And Kevin Wyatt, our very first hit. Jumbo out of 300. So now we'll do our random for our duel. Put Lions up on top and Jags on bottom. Put it into random here. 1 second, I'll get up on screen. Pop in this random. Best of luck to you two, TJ, or not TJ, Tyler and Bo. So we got Amir is on top, so we'll put Lions up on top. Let me add the screen cap. Okay, so we'll put Lions on top, and then Jaguars on bottom. Randomize this list 7 times. Whoever's team gets up there on top after 7 is the winner of the dual auto. Put it over here in the corner so you can kind of see it. That thing there in the right corner. Alright, good luck to you two, Tyler and Bo. Here we go. 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's the last one. Best of luck to you two for that dual auto. Lions jump back up top. Tyler B is the winner. Lions, Tyler B, congratulations. You get that dual auto. Pop this window down for a second. We can look at it. Nice dual auto there out of 25. Abdullah and Yeldon. Tyler B is the winner. Lions won it. Alright guys, thanks for viewing. This will be up on YouTube shortly. Thanks for joining the break. See you next time. Have a good rest of the afternoon, guys. Take it easy.